Alright, this the 2020 Max. It's in the A, right? So, let's say after you get through bidding or whatever, you ain't in Atlanta. You bought it, though. Let me show y'all some sauce right quick. Hold up. Bam. So, that's the car. This the price it's going to be to deliver it if you get it from directly from the auction, if you pay the auction. Let me show y'all some sauce. So, this your transporting price to the house. So, you want to go over here on Craigslist. So when you get on Craigslist, you want to go to Auto Transporter and scroll through the whole page and find a broker, call a lot of brokers and see what worked for you. Because some of them brokers, some of them dispatchers, some of them work for people, some of them middlemen. But you looking for somebody that can move it for a cheap price. And most likely the biggest companies can move it for a cheaper price because they can fit more cars on their truck. So once you find somebody, try to get it way cheaper than $750 because that's what the auction will charge for this particular car. So you want to try to get it moved for like $450 or some shit like that, so you can save a little money. But if you using if you ain't using the auction transportation, they do charge a fee. So you got to make sure these people are reliable and they can pick it up at a time in the time frame you need to be picked up. You know what I'm saying? Because after you buy it, you don't got that long for it to be picked up a couple days or whatever. You got to pay, and you got a couple days to pick it up. So you got to make sure when you fucking with these folks, you got to make sure that they can do the job, bro. And because you will be charged storage if they don't pick it up on time. But outside of that, this how you get it moved for cheap. And you can even look on Facebook Marketplace and shit like that. Or you can pick it up yourself if you got the tools. There'll be another way to get it for cheap, just gas. But if you ain't got the tools and the equipment to do it, this will be a way to do it. And you can get on some more shit like U-Ship and all type of other little places that you can post the car yourself without, being a broker and you can put it on the load board counter yourself. But this a quick, easy way that you can get it done. Free game, baby, and I'm out.